I want to talk about a problem that some of you will find with the Elementor tabs. Now we have some tabs over here and we have got some icons. I'm going to turn this into a vertical tab and I'm going to show you the problem you will come across when you have additional icons in here. So I've gone and clicked on tabs and I'm now going to position it to be on the left like that. So almost like a vertical. And what we have over here are some icons. So if I go into here, in each one of them I've added in an icon. You don't have to have icon if you don't want to, but I'm just going to leave it in for now. Let's just go ahead and put that arrow back in like that. Now at the moment you're going to go, well, what is the problem? You've got your icons and the tab titles. There is no issue. What if your title has a slightly different length to all of the others? Let's just go and do something like that. Can you see now the icon is kind of more over to the right, which makes absolute logical sense because the contents of the tab title are longer. But what if you wanted all of the icons to be positioned over to the far right and you want all of the wording to be to the left? Well, if you start to go over to the styling, you're not going to find much there to help you out. You can go to typography, you can do all of that, but you're not going to find anything that allows you to position. You will see this one over here. Well, all this does is flip the icon over from left to right, and if it was top to bottom, but I definitely want it on the right. So what can I do about this? Really simple and easy. All you've got to do is add in a bit of CSS. Now this is already set as a flex, but what it's missing is the space between setting. So we're going to go over to advanced, we go to custom CSS, and we're going to drop in this little bit of code here, and you see what it's done. Wording to the left, icons to the right. You don't have to put the word display flex in. I've just done it because it might be a good reminder for some of you if was it using flex or not. Justify content space between. If you ever find any widget is missing that setting to do a space between, just go and stick that in, and that's basically what it does. So now your icons are to the far right, and it doesn't matter how long your words are. Look, if I go over here now and I just go and make this one be a little bit longer like that, the word's to the left, the icon is to the right. Hey, I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.